I did not want to give up, and absolutely unbelievable, the last thing I tried. Look at the tub. You can see I poured something on the left side. It's all white. On the right side, we are still filthy brownish red. Over there, a lot of dirt. I'm going to show you how this thing works. It literally took about 10 seconds, and I'm watching before my eyes as the stain disappeared. This is worth a donation. Click on the donation link in the video description if I save your bathtub. All right, let's get this positioned. I want you to see this happen right before your eyes. I had to rush and get the camera after I tested this out. I didn't think it was going to work. It worked. Get the camera raised up a little bit. Let's get the camera raised up. We'll tilt it down. I want you to see this. We recording? I want to make sure I get this on video. We're recording. Hydrogen peroxide. So this was iron deposits. This was a rust iron deposit. Look at the tub all the way down over to the drain over there. Okay, so let's work on this area first. The nice thing about this is that you don't really have to worry about this getting on your skin. So I'm going to get out a sponge, and we're going to pour a little bit of this on here, and you're going to see the magic before your eyes. It is a mitzvah on Passover Saturday. Look at this. I'm going to pour a little bit of this on here. I have tried everything. I have tried Barkeeper's Friend, Comet, Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, baking soda, lemon. I don't even remember the list of everything I put on here, and nothing worked. You can see it just came off before your eyes. You can barely see it in the video now. Look at this. It's a chemical reaction. You got stains all over this tub. Let's put a little bit more. So it's not really a thing of scrubbing, it's strictly chemical reaction. A little piece of, I would say 90% of this stain is gone. I'm going on the edge over here, we got a lot of, let's see. This is the part that, obviously, it's the last part of the tub that is not cleaning. Everything else has failed. Everything. We've got dirt. Do we see the drain over there? Can we see the drain? No, we can't see the drain. Yeah, we can. Look at all that dirt. Look at all this brown all over in here. Let's try to clean this up right now. Just coming off. Look at that. Unbelievable. Hopefully I'm not in the camera blocking everything. % of the stain is gone. These are water stains, these are rust stains. Let's go back over here. I'm so close to being done, I just want to finish this off and make it as best as I can for the homeowner. I'm just surprised that it worked on about 3/4 of the stain. And it's holding back on this part of it. I can see it slowly coming off. Slowly coming off, but this is not so much of a scrubbing thing as a chemical process. So for $1 worth of hydrogen peroxide 3%. Okay, I'm working this area. I want to see if we can get this stain to come off. I think, yeah, it's working. I think with a lot of hydrogen peroxide, bottles of this stuff, soaking it in here, this would have come off days ago instead of using all those different ideas that I tried. You can hear the tub. Listen to this. Listen to the scale. When we get over here, no scale. I'm right back by the edge, scale. And it's slowly going away. I just want to finish this section off. As long as I can finish this off, I think they're going to be happy. They don't even know I'm doing this. And they can mess with the rest of it. Let me come back in about 5-10 minutes. Let me soak this a little more. We'll see if I can get this to come off. There we are. About 90% of the stain is gone. Just letting this soak in, letting it do its thing. I don't think scrubbing is doing much. It just needs to soak in and break through the rust. Okay, I just saw a little section over here that just came off right underneath the sponge. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to work this area right up here. There, it's coming off, see it? So there is some kind of a scale buildup on there, even though it doesn't feel like it, there is. And I really think if I had the time and the patience and the interest to finish this tub off for them, that I could buy a gallon of this stuff and just fill the tub up on the bottom and let this stuff soak. But we're almost there. There's everyone. I'd say about, the stain used to go from here to here, and the size of a bath mat. And I've removed about 90-some% of it right now, just soaking it with hydrogen peroxide 3%. We're down to the last bit. I'm not that worried about it. They can take care of the rest of it. Hydrogen peroxide does work. The rest of the tub has serious issues, and I'm not going to clean this whole thing up. I don't even think they're going to use it. I don't know if they're ever going to use this tub before the house is sold. I just wanted to test this out to help people out that have the same problem. So hydrogen peroxide is definitely the thing I would try number one before any of the other cleaners. Any of the other cleaners that I use that I listed, or check my channel for that other video. But this is absolutely remarkable how well this is done. Using some Comet cleanser, again, remember, do not mix chemicals. If you're doing that, make sure you clean the tub, drain the drain, mixing these chemicals. There we go, we've got a little bit of Comet cleanser on here. And I think that will remove the rest of the stain. I'm not going to spend the time doing it, but right now we're just dealing with a 70-year-old tub that's extremely stained, and I would say a good 95% of the stain has been removed with using hydrogen peroxide and a little bit of cleanser here to try to clean the rest of this up, which the tub is just completely worn. It's stained everywhere. That's going to be the end of the video, people. I'm not going to spend any more time working on this thing. It is definitely stained. And hydrogen peroxide, an amazing cleaner. Before and after. Look at this.